Hi, welcome to Sparsholt College. My name's Dave Andrews and I'm the curriculum leader for motor vehicles. We take you on a tour of the workshops and facilities we have and our amazing building. So if you'd like to follow me, we'll go on through. So the building was opened in 2014 by Jody Scheckter, ex-Formula 1 champion, and Ross Bourne, who's still currently the manager director of F1. As you can see, we harvest the rainwater for flushing toilets, etc., natural ventilation, and obviously it's got all the solar panels, so we're trying to do our bit for the environment. We've got tutor rooms, classrooms upstairs, and we're going to take you on through to the workshops. This is our office, and as you can see, when someone's in here, the door is always open. We encourage the students to interact with us a lot. Obviously, they always say good morning and goodbye as they go through. Come and have a chat if there's any issues going on. They have the main notice board up, so all your information will be on here. Timetables, jobs board. We've got a lot of thank you letters, all the bits and pieces we've done for charity. Obviously, all this will appear online. We also do a go-kart and fastest lap as well. As you can see, I'm sitting second, so up for a challenge. Come and see if you can beat us. Moving on down, a couple of trips we do is Santa Pod drag racing. One of the projects we did was stripping out the car, getting a drone above, taking a nice picture there. Okay, we're going to head towards the first workshop. We do supply some of the lockers for students to put their bits and pieces in. There is a small charge for that, which covers you for the year. All right, welcome to our first workshop. So, as you can see, this one is basically the level 2 fitting principles course, which is a lot of the fast fit bits and pieces that would be done in the industry. So wheels and tyres, batteries, exhaust, suspension. So we have 2 sets of tyre machines, 2 high lift 2-post ramps and 2 scissor ramps into the floor. Tool cage fully equipped, so you don't need to bring any special equipment, just your boots and overalls. And obviously lighting, exhaust extraction to obviously make it a nice, comfortable workshop to work in. As you can see, plenty of space. Normally there would be 10 students in here with 1 lecturer. The course is based, all of our courses are based over a year, and they're 3 days a week. So the fitting principles course would be a mixture of practical, theory, online testing, and that would give you your qualification. The next step for that is to move up to the level 2 maintenance and repair course, and then on to level 3. Okay, so we're going to move on to the next workshop. As we're going through, there is a welding workshop which some of the students will get to use, but it's mainly the ag engineering students. Some of the projects we've done for some of the nurseries and infant schools was a minion. We've done some tyre animals, and obviously that's into recycling as well, which was really good. So come on in, this is our second workshop. So this is mainly where the level 1s would be, and as I said before, again 3 days a week. This one is about getting the students comfortable with motor vehicles, wanting to take it as a career and progress on to the level 2 fitting principles course, which we just spoke about. As you can see, again, we've got a 4-post ramp, 3 2-post ramps, and all the cars are in here, all the cars and equipment are ours. We've got given a smart car, which is Brabus. It's the first right-hand drive one in this country. We've got engines on stands, so you'll get to strip engines and rebuild. And also we use a program called Auto Data for all our courses, which gives all the information about all the cars right up to date, and that's what the main manufacturers would use as well. And also the level 1s are lucky enough, they get a driving experience. So this is a dual controlled car. So it has obviously the pedals on the other side, so I can sit in there bravely as you students sit in and drive me around in controlled circumstances, obviously, and it just helps, maybe saves you a few pounds when you come to driving, but in the level 1 course there also is 2 units on becoming a safer driver and reducing the risks as a young driver. Okay, we'll move on. We do have a fleet of minibuses as well, so we do a few trips out, which, as we mentioned at the top, was Santa Pod, we've done Bewley, we do the Auto Sports Show, and a few other bits and pieces, some of the garage visits and bits and pieces like that. Okay, this is the last workshop we've got. So this one is our level 2 maintenance and repair course and the level 3s. So the level 2 maintenance and repair course, you do need A to C's to come on this, or equivalent to 4s. And this gives you a start. If you can obviously get this from school, that gives you a year at this level and then a year at level 3. So again, based on practical and theory, online testing, success, and then obviously you move on to level 3. So the level 3 side this is when you get to your fault finding and preparing for work or full apprenticeships. So as you can see in here, we've still got the scissor ramps, but mainly the work is done on the ground because it's always fault finding. And again, as you can see, all our workshops are very well equipped. Again, exhaust extraction, tool cage down the far end. And that's our tour. So thank you very much for sitting and watching the tour with me. Hope to see you soon. Fabulous day at Sparsholt College again with amazing facilities. All the courses are well equipped. Come and have some fun. But what we do expect is the students to try their best. As we said before, we're one of the best performing departments. We expect high standards, but you will enjoy it, you'll have fun and you'll succeed. Many thanks for watching.